Hello everyone, today I would like to teach you about how to make a table using LibreOffice base. First you will need to create a new database. Just click base database. As you can see at the embedded database section, this is the default setting for the embedded database and is the best one for a beginner. So we will choose this. After finishing this, just need to click next. And as you can see, it is asking you whether or not you want to register the database or not. If you choose to register the database, you will be able to access the database from any other app in LibreOffice, such as write a document and calc spreadsheet. However, if you are sure that you are not going to access the database from any other app from LibreOffice, it is safe to choose no. For now I will choose yes, so just click finish. Here you will need to choose a location and change the file name if you want to save the database. So now you will need to create a table. First, click create table in design view, and then as you can see there are empty spaces with the label, field name, field type and description. Here you will add up all the data you have, but before adding up and complete the table, you will need to have a primary key first. Primary key is an identifier in a table. If you have not primary key, you won't be able to complete the table. So my primary key, for the example, I will be making the data of an employee in a company. So my primary key will be their ID. Because ID is a number, I will be choosing integer. For numbers, you need to use integer. For normal names or words, just please varchar. And for a specific date in a calendar, you choose date. So for this, I will use integer. And to set this as your primary key, just click here, right click, and then select primary key. Now you have a primary key, and what you need to do just to complete your table. Next is name. The use of primary key is also to differentiate all the data, even if they are the use of a primary key is to differentiate all the data even if the other data has an identical one. So such an employee ID, it won't be the same for everyone. That's why I choose it as a primary key. For something like age and name, it could be the same for a different person. So age is integer. Then gender, because it's words, I choose varchar. And then department. Department is a sole name. So after finishing, you just need to click here to save. Here you can choose a name for a table and save it. For my table, I will be saving it as employee data. So then just click OK, and then after finishing this, click exit and exits the code table here. Here you just need to complete the table. So for my example, the ID, you just need to add up the data with the appropriate one like this. So you just need to complete everything and you will have a complete that table. Thank you. See you again.